Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am fine too. Welcome you all to NIBS Home School. This is Mahmudur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take an Information and Communication Technology class for the students of class 9. Our today's topic is chapter number 4, page number 60 to 63. I repeat again, our today's topic is chapter number 4, page number 60 to 63. Okay, let's see the board at first. This is the class for the students of class 9, subject ICT or Information and Communication Technology, topic chapter 4, page 60 to 63, term annual, lecture number 4 and HW number 3. I repeat again, this is your lecture number 4 and your homework number 3, and you will do 5 multiple choice question as your homework. Teacher Mahmudur Rahman, and this is my mobile number. Okay, let's start. Today we will discuss on different functions of Microsoft Word. There are letters of different styles in a word processor. These are called font. In formatting a text, the selection of font comes first. This selection is done from the name of the font of font group from the drop down box on the home menu. Pick the font that you like out of numerous fonts. Sometimes it is required to use fonts of different styles either to highlight or specify words or phrases. In that case, select the requisite section of writing. Select the font in the similar way. Click the number from the drop down box at the right side of the font box to determine the font size. You can select the font color as you like. Clicking on the icon of the drop down box of font group, the color can be selected. There are more facilities of fonts in the font group of home tab. That means you can change the color, the shape and size of your fonts, of your letters. Formatting text, bullets, numbering and line spacing. Here are two lists. In the first list there are some fruits, and in the second list there are some names of rivers: mango, blackberry, lychee, jackfruit, coconut. And the second one, we can see the names of the rivers: the Padma, the Meghna, the Jamuna, the Shurma, the Bhairab, and the number 6 one is the Tista. Sometimes we make lists of different things and use either signs or letters or numbers to maintain serials. This is called bullets and numbering in the word processor. That means when we make lists, we want to if we want to specify the names, we use special symbols, special signs. You can see here we have in your text there are dots are used, and here there are numbers are used. We can also use stars and also different shapes of signs and symbols. There is an icon command for bullets and numbering in the paragraph group of the home tab. The next one is line spacing. When we write down in Microsoft Word or word processor, we make sentences and lines. Using this option, we can fix up the spaces between two lines. This tool is used to determine the space between two lines. The next one, formatting text, table and different illustration. The insert tab of ribbon is used to insert a table, image, clipboard, different shapes, chart, text box, word art, etc. in a document. Insert table, using word processor we can insert a table and then write down in it. Click one insert tab on the ribbon of Word 2007 to add a table. This is one, and here is an option of insert. Number 2, then click table When we click on insert, options will come, and then we will click here. Table is written at first. Here is insert written. The written writings are not very clear, and then the options will come. From there we will select table, and you will get a dialog box where you have to select the number of columns and rows. We have got insert table option here. Number 3, the insert table option will come, and when you click that one, this will you can select number of rows, columns, and number of rows from here. Then you will click on OK. Insert picture. In my while writing in word processor, we can also insert pictures. Suppose you can see here that these are the words or sentences, writings, and beside this there is a picture also. So this work is done by a word processor. By inserting pictures, document can be presented in attractive way. For example, you are watching a lot of pictures along with the writings in this text. These are the pictures. These are the pictures. You have to click on the insert tab of the ribbon of Word 2007. Then click the picture icon of the illustration group. I'm sorry. A dialog box will come. Select a space for this picture, and the picture will be inserted into the document. Besides, facilities of inserting clipboard, shapes, smart art, chart, etc. are provided in the illustration group. Insert word art. You can see here different shapes of words are written here. If you select a particular word style, then whatever you will write will be written in that shape and size. You can insert fonts of different styles from the insert tab, and to choose your style you have to click word art of insert tab's text group. A dialog box will come, and you will get the desired style of your text after selecting the font. Setting up margin. We know that when we write down, we use margin in all the sides of your writing of the page. Suppose this is a page, and we obviously we maintain a margin so that the lines are straight. So using this option, you can fix up the spaces of your margin. It is required to click the page layout tab of the ribbon to determine the margins of the text. Then clicking the margin icon, desired margin is to be set. Different options of margins will be on the screen when you click on the margin icon. You can select the margin from the options or use your own margin clicking the custom margin. Line spacing of paragraph. If you write down a couple of paragraphs, then what will be the space between the paragraphs? You can select it. You can define it. Click the page layout tab to select the space between lines of a document. It is needed to select the points before and after lines in the spacing of the paragraph group. The command can be given after composing the document. In that case, first the section of the document in which line spacing will be inserted should be selected. Then it can be determined as per the instructions given above. Insert page number. You can see that there are page numbers 61, 62, 63. That means in every page we have page numbers. Using this option we can put the page numbers in a page of word processor. Inserting page number on every page is an important task while composing any document. Clicking the page number of the header and footer group in the insert tab on the ribbon, the right option can be chosen. You can insert page number either on the top or at the bottom of the page. Here, when you select the header and footer option, then page number will also arrive, and you can select from here that whether you want to put the page number at the bottom of the page or at the top of the page. So dear students, that's the discussion of your today's class from page number 60 to 63. I hope that you understood, and it's my suggestion to all of you, those who have facilities, you will try to practice this functions of Microsoft Word processor or Microsoft Word 2007 at your home. This is very much interesting and it's very much practical. It will be helpful for your future activities also. So take care of yourself, do the homework. You have to do 5 multiple choice question answer from here. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.